Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching from. We are going to study what Igbo people call some of those things given to us by nature, or some of the things we see in our environment. What is nature in Igbo? Nature is ọdịdị. Nature is ọdịdị. Land, ala. Earth, ụwa. Bush, ọhịa. Forest, oke ọhịa. Stick, osisi. Tree, ukwu osisi. Palm tree, osisi nkwụ. Leaf, akwụkwọ ndụ. Wood, osisi. Fire, ọkụ. We'll stop here today. We'll continue this study in our next class. Do well to always practice what we have done. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram and remain blessed. I will see you in our next class. Que mesian.